Hey guys, welcome back to a new video on my Robinhood portfolio. So I want to give you guys an update on how the account is doing. As you all know, this week has been fantastic, in the green. Just kidding. It has been really bad, not what I was expecting. Obviously, we had the Tesla battery day. That didn't go very well. I mean, per se, I mean, it's more long, like in the future. So that's something people weren't expecting. I wasn't expecting it. Nevertheless, I mean, it does give me high hopes for Tesla. Obviously, Tesla's doing great things, and I do believe that they will stay on top, at least in the near future. They're bringing out products that no car dealer is bringing out, or car company. Obviously, you guys seen, they have been selling a lot more cars, and obviously they are increasing production as a result of demand. So let's jump right into the account. So if I go to live right now, we are currently in trading hours. It's 12:48, so about 12 minutes to 1. So things might be changing a little bit. um, Obviously right now, I'm down $30 and change, and then for the day I'm up $148. Right here, if you see on my stocks, I did put to show you guys how much I am, so pretty much how much I am up or down for the day. So that's currently for today. So I wanted you guys to show you guys. You could pause the video if you want, so you could see if you're interested in seeing any specific one. But I'll just scroll down slowly so you guys could see what's going on, at least for today. So I mean, a lot more green today versus the rest of the week. The rest of the week was just um, bad. It was, I don't know, it was bleeding. But nevertheless, I mean, like I've said before, red days are good days to buy. So I have been buying stocks, and I will be showing you guys what those stocks are in just a second. Let me just finish up with showing you guys my graph. So for the week, I'm down $354. Can't even see this. Okay. So for the month, I'm down 525 bucks. So that's a negative 4.97 decrease. For the 3 months, thankfully, I'm still in the green. I'm up $561, up almost shy of 6%. For the year, I'm up $2,305, almost 30% increase for the year, which thankfully I'm up because this week has been just catastrophic. So for all, I am up $8,849. If you saw my previous video, obviously that amount was higher, but since we had to take a loss this week, I mean, all of that just went down and down and down, and there was no stopping it. Today was kind of like a little bump on the road, so hopefully it just goes up tomorrow, Friday, and I'm having high hopes for Monday. So a new week, new start, new beginning, whatever you want to call it. Anyways, so as you can see, this is my all-time. This is, pretty much what's going on. Kind of had a little experience. I mean, if you take into consideration, like before, if you've been investing for a couple years now, this is just really nothing. I mean, yeah, I'm almost down $1,000, but I'm not really worried about $1,000, just because, I mean, not to sound like, oh, it's, I mean, obviously it hurts, and I'm like, I wish I had those $1,000 back. But I'm a more, I don't do like a lot of day trading. I do more long-term investing. So I mean, these things are gonna happen. It's just gonna be going up and down, and obviously you want to be more up versus the market being down a lot, right? But you do want some downs, just because I remember even like a couple months back, before the pandemic was going on, I was like, damn, when is the market? Because almost every single day was green, and I remember, and I would tell my coworkers, man, I'm just waiting for like a market crash, because like I wasn't even buying anything anymore because um I mean I was buying, but I wasn't buying like you know like 200 $300 worth of stock, maybe like one stock every now and then, but I wasn't doing much, because everything was so high, and I was scared that maybe if a market crash would happen, then I would be losing a lot of money. So, a lot more than I would want to. So, um, so I pretty much I was just playing the waiting game, and waiting for, I mean, the perfect opportunity came, and obviously, in 2018, so somewhere around here, pretty much there was a market crash. This was my like, I I freaked out, believe me, I didn't even know what the heck was going on. So, so as you can see here, my account was around the highest $11,341. I haven't even reached that amount in quite a while, since 2018. So it's taken me 3 years to almost recover to what I was winning in 2018. And all of a sudden, August, October, November, December, and I even remember it was a bad year for all investors, because even in Christmas and New Year's, the market was going down, and I remember, damn, it must suck for everybody who's investing right now, because we didn't get a break. I mean, look, I lost a little bit more than half of my account in just 3 months, and obviously I didn't sell. I held on. I hold my position, and because if you're doing long-term investing, you don't really care about the dips. I mean, you do, but you don't. Because supposedly the way the market works is it's supposed to go up. With time. So obviously, this is a perfect. I mean, my account is a perfect illustration of that. So um, obviously not. I mean, it didn't go up as fast as I would want to, like it went down here, but slowly but surely it did. And it's hopefully gonna do it again and further up. So that's what's going on right now. So this small loss, as you can see right here, is nothing compared to what I've been through before. So that's that's what's going on. And then just to show you guys my total return for my positions on Amazon, I'm up $139. I did buy a little bit of Amazon this week, so just to show you guys on my history. So I bought $100 of Amazon. Obviously it's not like a lot, what I'm buying, but it's something, especially during these times. I'm not a millionaire to be buying a whole bunch of stuff and being like, oh, here's 50K, 100K. So I do what I can, and obviously I'm sharing it with you guys. So hopefully you guys appreciate that. So for Apple, I also bought Apple. I'm up $665 total for that position. I did buy more, which is right here in history. So I bought one share. Yes, yesterday, and then on the 16th I bought two more shares, and then last one, September 8th, I bought another share. So I mean, since the stock price was going down, I've been pretty much buying stocks. So I'm more, I'm gonna probably keep buying more if it keeps lingering around 100 and 8, 105. Obviously, if it goes under 100, I'm gonna be trying to buy as much as I can. Just because I remember last time that Apple had a split, and they did go under 100. I didn't take, I didn't take advantage of it, and I should have, because it was under 100 and it went up, um, to the levels that we used to before the split happened just a few weeks ago, which was, I mean, the price was like 400 something, somewhere around there. So um, obviously, take advantage of it. They do pay dividends. Obviously, not a whole bunch of dividends, but they do, which is always a plus in my opinion. Right now, according to Robinhood, it's a 61% buy. And then we go back, have Tesla. I'm still up $177. That's a 12.61% increase. Obviously, if you guys been keeping up with Tesla, they have been doing really bad. But nevertheless, I I keep my hopes up on this stock. So what I'm doing is I'm buying at the lower price and then pretty much pricing down, and then hopefully in the future, or near future, the stock is gonna go up furthermore. Also, I don't know if you guys saw the governor, at least here in California. I do live in California. The governor signed so that by 2035, all sales of cars have to be electric, which is beautiful. Obviously, not everybody's gonna be agree with that, but I mean, it is what it is, I hate saying that it is what it is, but anyways, I bought one share of Tesla for $434.90. Obviously, I am down on that, so I mean, oh well, I'm still up overall, so I'm not too worried about it. And I mean, my market value 1,586. I'm gonna keep averaging down my stock price on this if it does keep going down, and hope for the best. And then what else do we have? Also for Prospect Capital, that's my high dividend paying stock. It's a REIT. I'm down $114. Not too much. I'm not worried much about how much I'm down in that, just because my dividends do make up for any losses in this stock up to now, unless something really bad happens. Hopefully not. I've been invested in this stock for many years, pretty much since the beginning, 2015. So if you see right here, about an hour ago, I bought 20 shares at 496, and then I bought another 20 shares at 496. So total of 40 stocks for today, and then for September 23, I believe that was yesterday, I did buy 20 more stocks. 20 more shares of this stock at 498. So I'm for me personally right now, anything if the stock goes under $5, it's buy. Just because if you see let me go back really quick and show you guys on the graph. If you see, I mean, I'm trying also to average down my average cost. It's currently 517, so that's why I'm trying to buy it as low as I can to average down that number. I was earlier at 519, and with the stock that I did purchase, it went down to 517, which I mean, it's you're gonna be like 78 and 3 cents. So it's not much, but it does make a difference. Believe me, it does. Every cent makes a difference, especially when you're getting 6 cents a month. You're gonna be like, whoa! I mean, it's just 6 cents, and I mean, if you're doing dividend investing, every cent counts. Especially, I mean, if you're gonna be rolling it over, buying, purchasing more with that money, when the years, I mean, pass by, I don't know, 5, 10, 15 years, um, it adds up at the end. So you see, it does linger around, 5. Well, let me go back to 3 months, around 505 to 515, somewhere around there. A couple of times it did go down a little bit lower. I wish I could have bought around this time, but I was really scared. I mean, I wasn't even. I didn't. The reason why I didn't purchase when it was this low was because one thing that you have to keep in mind with this stocks in particular is if they're not able to pay out the high dividend that they do pay out, because since they're REITs, they have to pay about 90% of their earnings to investors. So imagine if they can't pay their investors, their dividend payments, they're gonna lower that dividend, or cancel it completely. So that means if they lower the dividend, this stock is not gonna be go down 470. It's gonna go down $3, $2, and maybe even if it does go bankrupt. So this happened when the market was when the pandemic started happening and stuff. So I mean, just be careful. You don't want to put all your eggs in one basket. So that's the reason I didn't buy more, because I wasn't sure what was going to happen with the market, especially with this one, which is a lot more riskier versus if you would be buying Apple, Tesla, Amazon, which are companies that are, they have cash, you know. Well, Tesla, but Apple and Amazon for sure, you know. So it did start going up, and then it's been, like I said, in the low five. So right now that it's at 490, 496, I think it's a good price to buy, just to average down my average cost from what I have right now. I'm currently, my market value is 2,785, and for this particular stock, as you can see here, my diversity, it's 27%. I do have a lot of money versus what I would, like if you were to ask me, I would tell you don't put so much money into it, invest in other stocks. But I just been buying little by little, and this is what's been going on, and this is what I have right now. But obviously, I mean, I've been playing with like in my previous videos, like I said, I've been playing like pretty much everything I have in my portfolio are winnings, so I'm not too worried about it. If it was my own cash, I mean, it is my cash, but it's my winnings, so it's my pretty much my gambling money. So that's why. That's my thinking around it. Obviously, you guys, I would recommend do your homework, and and also try to see where your risk tolerance is. So I hope you guys like this video. I mean, this is my portfolio at the moment, and I mean, I'm gonna keep adding more to my positions, adding more cash into the account. And if you guys like the video, please give it a thumbs up, like, share if you like, and we'll see you guys in the next one. And hopefully, I could give you a lot better news than it has been this week. So take care and happy gambling.